Here I am at Golders Hill Park in Golders Green. Isn't it lovely? Can you see the bird? Isn't it lovely?
Right, put me in. My mum is...
Here's my mum, she will talk.
Hello, it's lovely here, very pretty. I like looking at the animals, great.
Hang on, you can't see that bird very well, but I'll take you further down now.
Are we looking at kangaroos?
To the wallabies.
Yeah.
See if you see this bird. Hold on a minute. Looking in the city because there's when I'm embarrassed by my own voice. Hold on a minute. Hold on, yes. Oh, there you are. You can see it better now, can't you? The bird. See the bird? Isn't it lovely?
You won't have any battery.
Okay, now we're going to the wallabies. Just a moment. Just a moment. We are going to the wallabies now.
Oh, what are those? No, lemurs. Look, loads of lemurs.
Oh, lemurs, look, yes.
Quick, take a picture of me by the lemurs.
Oh, look at this. See the lemurs?
Oh, look.
Lovely lemurs, see? Okay, let's go further down. Okay, we're going to the wallabies. Okay, just a minute. We'll go to the wallabies now. Here we go. Talking in a silly way because I'm in public and I'm embarrassed. Here we are. Here we are. You see the wallaby there?
Right. Yeah, I'll do a picture of me by the monkeys. Hello. Hello. Come on. You said you'd do a picture of me. Wait till it hops. Oh look, there's a big one over there, look.
Like a wallaby. Yeah.
Oh Jessie, look. Come over here. That one.
See the wallaby there? Directly in front of you now. It's just standing there, or can you see it? The wallaby? Okay, there's the wallaby. Thank you.